Computer hardware. Understanding the components that power your PC. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical component that makes up an electronic device or computer system. These devices are compiled together to process, store, and display data and enable the user to interact with devices. Computer hardware includes central processing unit, motherboard, memory, RAM and ROM, storage devices, HDD and SSD, graphical processing unit, GPU, power supply unit, PSU, input devices, keyboard, mouse, microphones, touch screen, output devices, monitors, printers, speakers, and networking hardware, routers, switches. What are the different types of computer hardware? Computer hardware devices are broadly classified into internal hardware devices and external hardware devices. Internal hardware devices. The devices that are installed inside the computer system are known as internal hardware devices. Example: motherboard, RAM. External hardware devices. The devices that are installed outside the computer system are known as external hardware devices. Example: printer, headphones, joystick. Central processing unit, CPU. It is responsible for processing information from programs run by your computer. It is referred to as the brain of the computer system. Each CPU has a clock speed that represents the number of instructions it can process in any given second, measured in gigahertz. Motherboard. It is the central hub that connects and supports all other hardware components in the system. It is just one piece of circuitry for communication between the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and other peripherals. Storage devices. The devices that are used to store data permanently or temporarily. Broadly, they are classified into two major categories: hard disk drive, HDD, and solid-state drives, SSD. Random access memory, RAM. It is a volatile memory that stores data temporarily for quick access by the CPU. It is responsible for holding data and instructions that are currently used by the system. Example: Corsair, Kingston. Graphics processing unit. It renders images, animation, and videos on a computer screen. It can be integrated into the CPU or come as a separate graphics card. Example: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. An AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT. Power supply unit. It provides the necessary power to all components in a computer system by converting AC power from the wall outlet to the DC power required by the computer's components. Examples of PSU's brand are Corsair, EVGA, and Seasonic. Input device. It allows one to interact with the computer by providing input. Example: keyboard. A device that consists of button, switches or keys which are used to type things on a computer. Mouse. A device that is used to move the pointer on the screen, or to select information. Scanner. A device that converts images or text into digital or computerized information. Output device. It displays or presents the result of computer processing. Examples: monitor. A device that displays text or video images on screen. Printer. A device that is used to print the documents, hard copy. Networking hardware. Components of networking hardware enable a computer to communicate with each other and connect to the Internet. Examples: routers, switches, network interface card, and wireless access points. Conclusion. In this article, we have briefly discussed what is hardware, what is computer hardware, types of computer hardware and the examples of computer hardware. Hope you will like the article.